Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful framework that can help you achieve your dreams and goals, the SMART criteria. If you're ready to boost your productivity and success, then stay tuned. So, what exactly are SMART goals? SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break each component down one by one. First up, let's talk about specific. This means your goals should be clear and concise. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, try, I want to run a 5,000 in under 30 minutes. The more specific you are, the easier it is to visualize your outcome. Next is measurable. This criterion helps you track your progress. For example, I will save $1,000 for a vacation is measurable. You can break it down into monthly savings goals and keep track of your progress as you move toward that goal. Now let's tackle the last three: achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your goals should be realistic. This means considering your resources and potential obstacles. Then, ensure they're relevant to your life. Do they drive you in a meaningful direction? Finally, having a deadline is crucial. A goal like, I will complete a course by next June, gives you a timeline to work within. And there you have it. Setting SMART goals can significantly enhance your chances of success. So, are you ready to apply the SMART criteria to your goals? Share your SMART goals with us in the comments below, and don't forget to follow us for more tips on achieving your dreams.